I'm just outside of Elmo, where fire crews are making good progress on containment lines on the Niarada Fire. But high winds in the forecast are keeping firefighters on high alert.
Incredibly hot temperatures, extremely low relative humidities, and an increase in the winds. That's going to test our fire lines.
Northern Rockies Incident Management Team 3 Public Information Officer Joe Zerchowski says fire crews took advantage of precipitation and an increase in humidity last week, building containment lines on the Niarada Fire.
The good news is they've held for several days as they are, so we've had folks mopping up those edges, really putting in good work right there. We've just got a few small pieces yet to button up. We're confident that we'll be able to hold the progress that we've made.
Zerchowski says crews will keep a close eye on the east and southeast corner of the Niarada Fire over the next few days.
What's closest to Elmo, Walking Horse Lane, the structures over there are in really good shape. We've got personnel and equipment in place there. They've been there for over a week. So everything is looking really good.
Zerchowski says fire activity is expected to pick up on the Big Knife Fire near Arlee as high winds move through the region.
10-15 miles an hour can move the fire a little bit, but we're expecting 20 to 30 miles an hour. So that really could drive that fire in whatever direction the wind is blowing.
He says crews have measures in place to protect structures near the Big Knife Fire as it burns in steep and rugged remote terrain.
And we're going to watch this fire very closely as it does its natural progression, moves out to the east, and we're just going to let it mimic what should naturally occur in these ecosystems, and if needed, we'll take action.
In Elmo, Sean Wells, MTA News.